Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Fivetran connectors for Salesforce data syncing, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Fivetran website. Log into your Fivetran account using your credentials. Once logged in, click on the Connectors tab located in the left sidebar. On the Connectors page, click the plus Add Connector button. In the search bar, type Salesforce to find the Salesforce connector. Select the Salesforce connector from the results. You will be prompted to select the Salesforce account type. Choose between Salesforce Sales Cloud or Salesforce Marketing Cloud, depending on your needs. Next, you will need to authorize Fivetran to access your Salesforce account. Click on the Authorize button to begin the authorization process. A new window will pop up, prompting you to log in to your Salesforce account. Enter your Salesforce username and password, then click Login. You may need to allow Fivetran the necessary permissions to access your data. Once permissions are granted, return to the Fivetran interface. You will now see the configuration options for the Salesforce connector. Select the desired schemas you want to sync from Salesforce. Fivetran allows you to customize your sync by selecting specific objects. Tick the checkboxes next to the objects you wish to include. You can also set up filters to limit the data synced from each object. In the settings, you will find options for the frequency of data sync. Choose a sync schedule that fits your business needs, such as every hour or daily. Review the data retention settings to decide how long you want to keep your data. Then, proceed to configure any transformations if necessary. If you wish to anonymize any data, you can set up data masking in Fivetran. Once your configuration is complete, click on the Save and Test button. Fivetran will attempt to connect to Salesforce and verify the settings. If the test is successful, your connector is now configured. Click on the Complete Setup button to finalize the process. Return to the Connectors page to view the newly created Salesforce connector. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.